What is up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do the 1x1 Rubiks Cube. So I'm not particularly skilled at doing the classic Rubiks Cubes that everyone knows about, but one that has particularly fascinated me and to most people is an unknown puzzle is the 1x1 Rubiks Cube. It is a very misunderstood puzzle with many people going as far as saying that it is easy. They are so wrong. It is a puzzle that battles between perception and deception, but I have managed to find an algorithm that anybody with or without Rubiks Cube experience can learn from, and I'm going to show you that in this video. But without further ado guys, let's solve this Rubiks Cube. So guys, the first thing to remember when solving the 1x1 Rubiks Cube is the hardest part is actually knowing at what point it is solved. Now I know that may seem very complicated, but you'll see what I mean as we progress throughout the tutorial. So, first of all, I need to show you how to handle, hold and maneuver the 1x1. So you want to start off with your middle finger and your thumb. Grab that, that's your stability. Then your pointer finger and your middle finger working together is kind of how you solve and change all the colours between the Rubik's Cubes. And you know how I mentioned before about this algorithm that anyone can learn and is the easiest way to solve the 1x1? The best way and the way I learned how to do this is actually just watching examples of other people do it. So I'm going to do 3 examples for you guys. I'm going to do a random hand scramble right here. And if you just slow it down, watch it back in the video, you should hopefully get it after a while. So I'm going to do the first one super fast, show you how fast I can do it. Like I said, I've learned this, I know how to do it, so I'm going to do a really fast one for you guys, and hopefully you can kind of get a general idea. Bam! Okay, that was actually really fast. Okay, so obviously I'll go a little bit quiet when I'm trying to do it, because I've got to think about all the different things going through my head. And yeah, that is now the solved state of the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Let's go for another one. Like I said, the best way to learn this is actually through watching other people. I would try and explain all the theories to you and all that kind of stuff, but it's too complicated, and to be honest with you, I don't really know how to explain it properly. So the best way and the way I learned it is just through examples. Okay, so going for another one. Right, okay, so this is a little bit of a harder one, but we're going to try it. I'm going to try and do this one a little bit slower as well. So watch it slowly, watch it a few times, and hopefully you can see what I do. So I'm going to do this a little bit slowly. Just watch out for the kind of patterns that I'm doing, and you'll eventually get the feel for it. Okay, I'm going wrong there. Okay. Bam, there you go. So that was a quite hard one actually. That's probably the hardest one I've had. Obviously it depends what scrambles you do. Obviously it's just a look of the draw kind of thing of how fast you do it and how easy it is. But that's another solved state of the Rubik's Cube, or the 1x1 Rubik's Cube anyway. And yeah, I'm going to do one more example guys. I'm going to try and do this one as fast as I can. And yeah, hopefully you can slow it down, watch it again. And between those 3 examples, hopefully you can kind of get it. Okay, so we're going to go for the last one. Alright, okay, this doesn't look too bad actually. I think I can do this. Right, let's see how fast we can do this one. Alright, go in. Right, there you go. Bam. Oh, that's probably the fastest I've ever done it actually. And it's on video as well, which is really cool. So obviously that was a little bit faster. That might be harder for you guys to kind of work out what I did there, but the second example I did super slow. You can kind of watch what I did, watch the procedure I took, and eventually once you practiced it in hand, and you'll eventually get the feel of how to actually do this, and you can impress your friends really easily. But anyway, that is how you solve the 1x1 Rubik's Cube guys. Just go back, watch the examples, watch them a few times, and you'll eventually understand. The more you watch it, the more you kind of get the feel for the 1x1. It is a real hard puzzle, like I said, almost impossible. Once you get the feel for it, you'll know how to solve it. But anyway guys, that is how to solve the 1x1 Rubik's Cube. Anyway guys, I hope you managed to understand that tutorial. I tried to make it as clear as I possibly could for you, but as I mentioned earlier on the video, it is all down to perception of when the 1x1 is solved. So basically, once you get it, you'll know you get it. It's one of those things, once you get it, you'll know that you get it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching that video. I will leave the link to this 1x1 Rubik's Cube, or where I got it from at least, in the description down below. They're very rare. I haven't seen many places that do it, so yeah, I think it's an eBay link that I got it from. So I'll leave that link down below if you want to go and get one of these. And yeah, it's a really cool thing to show off to your friends and show them that you can solve it, etc. And it's a cool little thing to have. So if you want to go and get one, I'll leave the link in the description. But yeah, thank you guys for watching that video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like. Also, subscribe if you're new around here. Obviously, I do very different content to this usually, so go and check that out if you want to. And also turn on post notifications to get notified when I upload a brand new video. And I'm sure a lot of you will be very confused by this, because it is a very confusing concept. But yeah, you can talk to each other in the comments down below, and if you've got any questions, I'll hope to try and answer them for you guys and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching that video. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, that actually really hurt.